RCTV Channel 4 by NBC News, which is solely responsible for its content.
Bedtime and brush your teeth. I love those toothpaste together. Let's try it. Just once.
Cold water, Mrs. Spears?
No, but Jeff gets into our Jaguar car and he picks up all sorts of stones, and hot water can slip some of them in. So I tried Top-Hot.
And?
Look how clean it gets his plant. I do everything in coal power.
Even diapers?
Sure, I understand it's germ proof.
You're right. Laboratory tests have shown that coal power germ-proof and gets out the worst kind of dirt in cold water.
The latest fashions from leading manufacturers are now reduced for the big store-wide midwinter furniture sale. Enjoy big savings now at